Hi guys, this is your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. It's Tuesday, guys. It is YouTube Tuesday. So I am back. I feel so much better, guys. I was sort of out of it for about 2 weeks. So guys, thank you again for just, your well wishes for me. And I just want to talk to you today about today's topic. Okay, so I am here. I'm in full makeup. I have my hair done. I'm in my clothes and I'm wearing beautiful earrings. Look at these. This is from jazzydesigns.com. But the reason why I'm doing this is for a reason. So last week when I was really under the weather and really sick, I was just out of it. My chica had the nerve to say, "Mom, why aren't you wearing makeup? Mom, you not even have lipstick on." Chica, Mommy was sick last week, and you make sure you comment to her. Leave her mommy alone. But the reason why I'm saying this, guys, is for this reason. People are visual. They see everything you do from your hair, your makeup, your lips, your earrings, to your clothes. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is thumbnails. Thumbnails is the first thing that we see when it comes to viewing our videos, and it can make or break you. And I'm going to show you 2 examples of the thumbnails I did. My tablescape in 2016 versus my tablescape in 2017, and the views from 16 and the views from 17. And you'll see exactly what I'm saying. This is an example of my 2016 tablescape. You see it's dark. It has no interest. It doesn't have any aesthetics. It has no title. You can't see what it is on the thumbnail. And in my description here, my title description, I have 2016, but look at the views. I only had 197 views. Now look at 2017. Big difference. It's brighter. It's larger. You can see more of the tablescape. And then again, I was more in detail on my title, plus look at the views. Again, with my mini bar from 2016. This was one of my first videos. I just showed a picture of, I really didn't show you the mini bar. Okay, on the title, we're here in 2017. Look, you can see all the aesthetics of what's visually in the video. For small spaces, I was more in detail, and look at the views. See the difference, guys? And first impressions or lasting impressions. When I was in photography school years ago, when I was around 18, we had a project to actually research commercials. And he didn't say what it was. He says, "Okay, I want you to watch commercials and let me know what you think the next day." So we all came back the next day, and the first thing everyone says, they're 29 to 30 seconds long. He said, "Exactly. You have a short time." So when a commercial is there, they have exactly 30 seconds to grab your attention. I mean, to grab it so you can purchase, you can buy, you can join, whatever it is. Same thing, guys, with our thumbnails. Okay, so if you have a thumbnail that is dark, is blurred, it doesn't have any type of type on it, people don't know what it's about. It doesn't necessarily have to have type on it, but sometimes it will give your audience the subject of what's going on. Okay, for example, if you're doing a tablescape, okay, just like here, you see my tablescape here, I might just do one on the tablescape and I'll take a picture of the tablescape. So now if I'm doing a video of my tablescape, I'm not going to show you my kitchen. So guys, I just want to give you some quick tips on how to do thumbnails. I myself had that mistake when I first started, and I should have known better. When we come onto YouTube, think of it as your own production. This is your TV show. Some people have schedules. When Scandal comes on or something show come on, we know it's coming on at Thursday. It's coming on 9 o'clock. We're going to have our wine and our popcorn. We're going to watch Olivia Pope. Same thing with channels. So when you do your thumbnail should reflect the subject of what you're talking about. Okay, if you're doing a haul, or show your shopping bags. If you're doing a whole room tour, then you might want to show a little bit of everything. You're only going to get so much information in a thumbnail, and you have to remember that people are going to look and think of, that is interesting. I like this. Oh, I like that purple. I like this. So people are going to visually look at it and say, this should be an interesting video to watch. So this is what we want to do to capture people's attention so they can come and watch our videos. And then from there on, your video production has to be all that as well for them to keep the attention all that time. So I'm trying to just prove a point of why I did the makeup, why I'm wearing bright colors and lips. It's because that people, the first thing they're going to say, look at that. Oh, look at her thing. Look at that. We're visual. We always have been, and we always will be. So when we do our thumbnails, try to keep to the subject at hand, okay? Try to make sure your pictures are clear, okay? As clear as you can. Again, I'm on my phone, guys. I'm just trying to prove a point. I'm not using my professional gear. It's because if you are a small channel and if you're just starting and you don't have that money for expensive equipment, or you don't know what to get right away, clean your phone lens off. Make sure you clean the lens off the phone, okay? Because you don't want to have any smudge thumbprint. It's going to blur out your pitch. So make sure your lenses are clean, even on your cell phones, okay? Your camera lenses or whatever that you're using. So again, just make sure you are precise when it comes to your thumbnails. Your color is right. Your subject is right. You know, the overall photo is right. The photo is clear, is brightly lit. We can see, because a lot of us actually watch videos and we see the thumbnails from our little phones. So we're talking something that's only about 1 inch, that we see as we scrolling through these videos. So if you want your video to pop and get your attention, then we have to really show some really nice thumbnails. That is the #1 thing that is so important when we're doing these YouTubes, okay? Of course, your subject matter is important, but people are going to really look at that thumbnail first before they watch the video. So just make sure, again, guys, that your lighting is right, your subject, whatever your video, that is the main focus of your subject. If I am discussing something like a tablescape, but what if I was discussing something like my wine glass? So this will be in an upfront focus. You see, this will be the subject, okay, for what you want to do. So again, visually show us, everyone else, your subbies, what your subject matter is. A nice, clean, clear picture. Make sure the lighting looks good. If you don't have professional lights, make sure you open up your blinds as much as you can. Okay, no blurry pictures, guys. No one wants to see out of focus pictures. Okay, and also make sure your title goes with your thumbnail. So if you're doing a tablescape 2017, tablescape 2017. If it's a Christmas tablescape 2017. That is what helps, because we'll know when it is, what type of tablescape. Is it seasonal? Also, guys, we know what's coming up in 3 weeks, so let's get them videos popping. Valentine's is coming off, and I meant to tell you this before. Always do what's trending. That helped me at Christmas, so I popped out those Christmas videos, which gave me a lot of watch time views. Remember, we down to like 4 weeks to go get those views. So do what's trending. Everyone wants to know a DIY for Valentine's. They want to know music for Valentine's. They want to know anything. If you have to go to the Dollar Tree, if you're going to halls, we want to see what's good for Valentine's Day. Do what's trending. Show the beautiful picture on your thumbnail. Do a nice title, okay, guys? So your Mooregirl just wanted to give you that one tip of how to use your thumbnails. Not physically how to do it. I use mine on Photoshop. Some people, they even have, if you don't have Photoshop, or if you don't know how to use Photoshop, they have all kind of apps to do thumbnails with. And also remember, you have to be verified to do a custom thumbnail. So don't just throw out that generic thumbnail, you know, that we see with the 3 categories when we do our YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you what happened to me. And I should have known better, but I did it as well. You know, take this seriously. You know, if it's a hobby, it's a hobby. But do the best you can do. We try to do the best that we can do, because the world is seeing our work, our homes, our subjects, our family, our children, our music, our art. So again, guys, showcasing on your little inch thumbnail and give us information what it's about, okay? So this is your Mooregirl. I just want to give you that quick tip and trips. If you have any questions, you know again. And also, what do we say to new people? Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, this is your Mooregirl. Thanks for watching.